All right, imagine this. You type in one simple idea and boom, AI handles everything else. Script done, images, generated animation, handled.
Sounds like sci-fi, right?
Right.
Nah, this is real life. AI is out here doing all the heavy lifting while we just sit back and watch the magic happen. And the best part,
You can use some of the top AI video generators out there. Kling AI, Minimax, Luma AI, and a whole bunch more. So let's get into it. The tool that makes all this possible. Vocal ML, super fancy name, but trust me, it's as simple as it gets. Just hop on their website, focalmail.com, comma, and let the fun begin. Now, check this out.
just hop on their website, focalm.com, comma, and let the fun begin. Now, check this out. This is the interface. You see that prompt bar? That's where you drop your idea. And if you're feeling uninspired, no worries. AI's got your back. It'll throw out some random ideas for you. But for us, we got our own vision. Here's my idea. The Timekeeper's Last Apprentice vibe. Sherlock Holmes meets Doctor Strange. A retired clockmaker discovers an ancient, sentient timepiece. He nurtures its magic, teaching it the art of controlling time. But the more it learns, the more it craves ultimate power. One day, it decides to rewrite history itself. Now, the old man must stop the very thing he once protected before it erases the world as he knows it. Next up, language options. English is the default, but if you're feeling international, you got Mandarin, Spanish, French, Arabic, Hindi, German, Swahili for my brothers in Africa, you name it. But we'll stick to English for now. Click the arrow and let the AI gets to work. And just like that, AI whips up a full script dialogue, scene descriptions, image prompts, everything. If you want more details, just hit expand, but I'm good with what we got. Time to name our masterpiece, The Timekeeper's Last Apprentice. Sounds kind of cliche like a bedtime story, but trust me, it's gonna hit different. Now, let's talk style. Want it to look like an anime? Done. A vintage 80s movie? No problem. Sherlock Holmes style mystery? Say less. You can even define your own custom style if you're feeling artsy. But for now, we're rolling with photorealistic. Aspect ratio, you got options. You can do portrait for TikTokers or shorts, or landscape for YouTube heads. We'll roll with 16:9 for that cinematic look. Captions, optional. But here's the cool part. AI doesn't change the characters. It keeps them consistent throughout the story. So you don't end up with a farmer who looks like Morgan Freeman in one scene and Vin Diesel in the next. Characters and locations, handled. AI even assigns voices, but if you want to switch it up, you can. Once you're happy with everything, just hit create project. Now, we're in the editor where everything comes together. Here's the fun part. You just click generate and AI builds out the entire thing. Characters, scenes, voiceover sits, all coming together in minutes. That's right. No hours of editing, no struggling with animations. Just click and chill. All right, first chapter's ready. Let's preview it.
In a quiet village at the edge of nowhere, there lived a retired clockmaker named Elias Cardo. He had spent a lifetime crafting the intricate and the beautiful, delicate timepieces that kept the world moving in harmony. But now, his workshop lay silent, gathering dust. The rhythm of ticking that had once filled the air was replaced by the creaking of chairs and the hum of solitude. One foggy morning, while exploring the attic of his home, Elias stumbled upon something strange. A clock unlike any he had ever seen. Its design...
Yeah, we got some tiny gaps here and there, but no big deal. Just drag and drop to clean it up. AI is doing 95% of the work, so a little fine tuning won't hurt. If there is any little hiccup like a scene or two didn't animate properly, AI must have taken a coffee break. No worries, we can fix that real quick. Plus, you can change styles, voices, and even switch image models to your preference. Speaking of models, you got Options Flux, Luma, Dream Machine, Minimax AI, Runway ML, Kling AI, and more. Want to tweak the audio? You can switch between AI voice models too. Basically full creative control with minimal effort. And now, for the dramatic moment, aka the classic, you better not bring that thing in my house conversation.
Elias stumbled upon something strange, a clock unlike any he had ever seen. Its design felt ancient, almost otherworldly, with gears and etchings that seemed alive.
So, yeah, a couple of small tweaks needed, adjusting frames, smoothing out audio, but overall, the heavy lifting is done. And this was just chapter 1.
In a quiet village at the edge of nowhere, there lived a retired clockmaker named Elias Cardo. He had spent a lifetime crafting the intricate and the beautiful, delicate timepieces that kept the world moving in harmony. But now, his workshop lay silent, gathering dust. The rhythm of ticking that had once filled the air was replaced by the creaking of chairs and the hum of solitude. One foggy morning, while exploring the attic of his home, Elias stumbled upon something strange, a clock unlike any he had ever seen. Its design felt ancient, almost otherworldly, with gears and etchings that seemed alive. When he reached out to touch it, the hands moved on their own, marking not hours or minutes, but something else entirely. Moments, memories, possibilities.
Now, instead of making you sit through me generating the whole thing, I already put together a full story. This one's about a bewitched prince that forgot his true love. Sorry, guys. I don't know why I keep on coming with this cliche stories, man. Sounds kind of cliche like a bedtime story, but trust me, it's gonna hit different. Whew, sounds deep. But anyway, you get the idea. AI takes your simple idea and turns it into a fully animated story. You just tweak it here and there, and you're good to go. Yo, that's it. If you found this helpful, hit that likey button, probably share the video, and subscribe if you have eaten. If not, eat first and stay hydrated, then subscribe. It takes 10 seconds, or would you rather go hungry and have dry crusted lips? Just a brother trying to help out. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.